to approve the proposal and appoint the Honorable Moitalel Olekenta as our new Secretary General. So Honorable Kenta is now our new Secretary General in Jubilee. Mheshimiwa Kenta is not new to Kenyan politics and leadership. He served as a Member of Parliament before, a very solid and highly respected lawyer in this country, very solid and respected political player. We are grateful for the work that Mheshimiwa Kenta has done in the past, and he actually bears the history and the roots of this party from the days of TNA. And therefore, he's coming back to Jubilee and assuming the responsibility of Secretary General of Jubilee is something we are very happy about, very excited, and we are looking forward to benefiting from the leadership, the services, and the solid networks of Honorable Kenta as he plays his role in the office of the Secretary General of Jubilee.